Here we go, fourth graders. Now let's get started. Your learning target is how do I solve multiplicative comparison problems. So here's some vocabulary we're going to look at. Comparison statements are comparing different sets. Quantities mean the amount of something. Multiplicative comparison statements, statements that compare using multiplication. An example, it takes 3 hours to drive to Minneapolis. It takes 4 times as long to drive to Texas. How long does it take to drive to Texas? So we can think of that as a multiplication sentence. You got 3 times 4 equals t, and it's 12 hours. Here's some clues that you would be doing a multiplicative comparison. So using multiplication, if you see blank times as long as blank, or blank times as much as blank times as tall as blank, or blank times as many as blank. I forgot blank there. But anyway, these phrases are clues that you are using multiplication to compare things. So now let's look at a problem. My son Ben's height is 12 inches. My son Alex is 2 times as tall as him. How would you write that as a multiplication sentence? How could you model it using pixel art? So there is your challenge, and we will try that out and talk about it in group. I want you to also think about what is the key phrase in here that tells you you are doing multiplication here.